Greetings everyone. With the last few episodes of SAS 360 Bytes, we've done different leadership hats to explore what sustainability means to each of them. This episode 40 steps into the mind of the administrative head. Let's explore further. The administrative head has the responsibility to make sure that the facilities, that is, the offices or manufacturing plants, are embedded with sustainability practices. The campus has a strong say in driving or not driving the sustainability DNA across the employee group. From waste management to energy management to water management, everything within the office or plant facility needs strong monitoring. While these have always been in the scope of the administrative department, the ask is to embed aspects around sustainability in there. Example, it is not only about being aware of how much water bill is being paid or how much water is being consumed, but extend it to understand the life cycle. Where is the water sourced from and where does it end up at discharge? A refresh of the policies and procedures to accommodate such facets would be ideal. The administrative department has to work closely with the HR teams to evolve employee-friendly measures at the work facility. These should include the conventional ones around employee safety and security and extend further into encouraging sustainability choices at the workplace. As an example, some companies provide exclusive parking slots for EVs with charging points installed. Such measures nudge the shift. All vendor contracts should be repurposed to align with the corporate sustainability agenda. The administrative team deals with vendors for water management, waste management, facilities management, etc. With each of them, it is imperative today to check the credibility of their claims. Example, what are they actually doing with the waste after it leaves your premise? How are they managing water discharge and more? Today's sustainability report needs more quantitative data than ever. The administrative department should put the right procedures, systems in place for ease of regular data tracking. From granular energy consumption patterns, water management, safety incident tracking, etc., there's a need for wide range of ESG data points. Now that's a wrap on this episode of SAS 360 Bytes. Till the next episode, take care and stay safe.